Hello traders, good day and wish you happy new year in advance. Let's get on with this pair New Zealand dollar and USD. First of all, this is a yearly chart in 12 months time frame, so each candlestick represent a single year. And we can see that the range is here from here. If we mark it, the range is from here on the top here. So this is the whole range of US dollar and New Zealand dollar. New Zealand dollar and US dollar. Now, last year in 2022, we have seen that it has a very big, what you can say, shadow. And this year it opened and it got bearish. It got a little bit bullish, then it got bearish and it retraced back here. And it failed to break the previous year shadow, which we can, if we enlarge a little, we can see that it is consistently making higher low then lower low, this one and this one and now this one. So this year I'm in favor of New Zealand dollar at the moment, because it is moving. This is a lower low, then higher low, then higher low. But the problem is this: it is not getting any traction on the bullish side. It came down and created this thing. So from the bearish side we are protected, but from the bullish side we don't see any particular concrete evidence here to judge whether it will be bullish to that extent or not. So this is one thing. On 12 months or year closing analysis we can take up to this. And second thing I would like to show you here, that this guy, this pair is just in its middle point. I hope you guys can see it very clearly. In the range it is middle point, and either it can move upward or downward, we don't know. But for the time being, I am more bullish bias than bearish bias for this pair. Let's move to month now. So this is the monthly thing we have at the moment, and we'll analyze based on this area only. We will not consider this two bigger range. These are very big range. So let's put it back here, but we are not considering this range. So let's, if we see, the range is actually from here to here. This is the range we have now. This is too big range. I mean, this lower one and the top one is too big range. So we are going to remove them to avoid any confusion. Okay, but we put the middle line for it, the bigger range, and this is our current thing we are going to consider. So if we see, guys, that it made a double bottom here. So in monthly we had a double bottom earlier here, from here to here. This is the thing has already worked out, and this double bottom has created the double top, the price to go up here. Okay, so let's mark it. So this is one double bottom in monthly we had earlier. So let's put it in right perspective so we don't miscalculate anything. So second thing, when it came up here, it didn't make any double bottom, did it? Yes, it did. In monthly here it made a double top. Can you guys see? From here to here we can see we had a double top. Okay, so let's mark it also. We'll consider the fundamental later. Let's deal with the market structure. What we are doing now is the market structure. So the price is in the middle of the whole range of last 30 to 40, 35 years range, and this is the price range. So we leave it here. But after making this double top, first made this double bottom, this double top, we want to see where the price moved in respect of this range. So the 50% is here. Okay, the 50% of this double top and double bottom is here. So let's put it in dashed line, and let's put the bigger one in dotted line. Okay, so this is the thing, and it came down, fulfilled 50%, and maybe if we see, it may have fulfilled the 75% too. Almost is it fulfilled the 75% from the top, we can see. Then again here it made a something which put it back on being bullish. So what made it bullish here? What made it bullish? This is the question. So let's go to weekly, and we can see we don't have anything in weekly here. If we go to daily, can you see anything? Yes, this red candlestick, this red guy has made double bottom here again after making this double top. Okay, so let's mark it. Okay, this is the thing which made the double bottom here in day. This is the guy. Okay, and it put it bullish again to this extent, and here something is resisting it here again. We'll work on that. Let us draw it first. So from here it created the double bottom. Okay, in their time frame. Oh, I beg your pardon. Sorry guys. I was trying to draw it without any reason. Hold on. Yes, so here is the place it has created the double bottom. From here it got bullish, touching this area, and it went up immediately. Okay, so now if we see what is causing this to resist, so we had this line which we have got from the yearly yearly 50%. This resisted the thing. There is nothing here, because if we check it out, it is lying here. In weekly, do we have anything? Yes, it is also resisted by this weekly, this double top. So we can draw it in weekly. This is the market depth we should consider, and here we got it in weekly also. Okay, so weekly, this is weekly we got. Some people ask me why I try to draw all this line rather than telling the actual thing. The problem is this, then if I say do this and do that, you guys will never understand why I am saying something like that. What is the point of saying this thing? So this is the double top we have. So we have a range now from here to here, and what I am expecting to form a double bottom here, a double top here, we need a red one, red candlestick. But at the moment we don't have that red candlestick in weekly time frame. Can you guys see? And if we go to monthly, there is nothing here also. We don't have any red here. We need green and red. It is absent there. In weekly there is no red here, so I should not bluntly mark it, rather put it in black that we have not achieved that even. And but we are in weekly time frame, and if we go to daily, we don't have anything even, because this red top and this one doesn't match anything. So if we go to 4 hourly, do we have anything? Can we check? Then we check. Yes, I think this double top has been formed from 4 hourly, not in weekly, not in daily. If we move it a little bit high to exact marking of it, and if we get back here, can we get anything? So you guys can see this red candlestick exactly is not matching, but this is the candlestick we have in hand in 4 hoursly. But I will not say even it is a double top. So my idea is simple, that as we don't have anything which resisting the price here, rather the price should come up to here, 0.6388, something like this, before it goes down. Though it has retraced back a lot, you guys can see the 1 and 2 tweaks are very strong here, and but it failed to break any change of character or structure. Nothing serious happened here yet. So I would like to be bullish about New Zealand dollar and USD at the moment. Yes, I would like to go for bullishness here. So my preference for the thing will be, it may retest this area, this guy. It can retest this area. Maybe it will come down here. Then it will try to move up, retest this area, come here, retest again this area, and then it will move upward. That's all for Nzdusd USD for me. And this is the thing. And the reason I think this is this, because there is another chance I have to think, but which is I am not sure yet until it fulfills its journey up to this level, then it can form a cup ultimately. To form the cup, it must fulfill this journey. It needs to fulfill, and then once it reach there, and it will face a weekly double top, then it will be a very big resistance, and then there will be a chance that it may form a handle. Let me draw it first. If we draw this, it may form a handle at this level, this area, exactly this area. So it will come down here, but before that I don't see any aspect to come it up to this level at the moment. I will rather prefer to be bullish for next week, and after that, if it fulfills here and make a, if we go to week, and if it makes a red candle next week or the week after that, then I will see this is the cup, and there is a chance of creating the handle, or it will break out of here. So that's it for New Zealand dollar and US dollar. So please remain bullish at the moment. Don't take any bearish trade before it breaks this area. It will not be wise to take any trade being bearish until this area. Okay, take care guys, and retest, of course the retest must be done here. Okay, let me give that option also. It will come here, break out, it will retest, then it will come here. but I don't suggest this at the moment because the price action doesn't say so. So let's put it in red, and I would like to put it in dashed line to make it less important. Thank you guys.